In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Paint Format to copy formatting in Google Sheets on desktop. This feature is a huge time saver when you want your spreadsheet to look consistent without manually reformatting each cell. Think of it as a formatting copier. It transfers the visual style, like font, size, color, fill, borders, alignment, and number formats, from one place to another without touching the actual data. Start by selecting the cell that already looks the way you want. This is your source cell. Make sure it truly has all the formatting you want to replicate, because whatever is on this cell is exactly what will be applied elsewhere. For example, if the source cell uses a currency format with 2 decimal places and a bold blue font, those details are what will carry over. If you're unsure, take a moment to check the number format and alignment so you don't unintentionally overwrite formatting in other cells later. Next, look at the toolbar at the top of Google Sheets and click the Paint Format icon. It looks like a little paint roller. When you click it once, it's armed for a single use. Your cursor will change to indicate that it's ready to apply formatting. If you know you'll be applying the same formatting to several different spots, double-click the Paint Format icon instead. That keeps it active, so you can click multiple targets one after another. When you're done, press Escape or click the icon again to turn it off. Now, apply the formatting by clicking the cell or dragging over the range where you want it to go. The data will stay the same, but the look and number format will update to match your source. If you selected a range, make sure you drag across the exact cells you want. The tool will overwrite existing formatting in those cells. If you make a mistake, use Undo right away with Ctrl+Z on Windows or Command+Z on Mac. A few helpful tips as you work. You can apply formatting to entire rows or columns by clicking their headers when you choose your target. If the icon seems missing, try widening your browser window or looking for it under the More menu in the toolbar. Paint Format is different from copy-paste. Only appearance is transferred, not formulas or values, so you can safely standardize the look of your sheet without altering your calculations. That's all it takes. Pick a well-formatted cell, click Paint Format, and apply it to your target cells or ranges for a clean, consistent spreadsheet.